Yes, what's going on? I'm Max. This is my 2003 S500, and if you've been following along, I've been trying to recommission it for the last 3 months or so. After I abandoned it for a year and a half here in my car park in London, it has caused a whole bunch of problems. Cars like this don't like to sit around, but I think I've done everything that I needed to. So this is the first drive after a whole bunch of parts, service, all sorts of things to get this car running again. The range says 0 miles. It's 11:30 at night. My dog's with me because he's an OG of this car. He's been in it just as much as I do. So him and I just gonna go for a cruise, go and put some fuel in it because like I said, I got 0 miles. Wish me luck. Hope I don't break down and run out of fuel before we get to the petrol station. And yeah, let's fucking go. Let's see how we going. So we made it all right. It was a close one. Not sure how we made it, but we made it. We're here. Let's get some fuel in this. So let's see how that goes, see how it turns out. Let's take this puppy for a drive. So test one's been passed. I just drove past a police van, and we're still rolling. Obviously I'm not speeding or anything, but this car all blacked out does kind of look a bit sus. I guess probably the clear windows rather than blacked out. If they're blacked out, I definitely would have got pulled. Just on the motorway now. Quick stretch to see stretch of the legs to see how it feels. It definitely pulls to the left. Might just be tracking. I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's go on it. Alright, so we've made maiden voyage, the first drive. Car looks great, sits great, drives great. Actually no, it doesn't sit great, I lie. That rear is really high, so I'm gonna have to adjust it, but overall I'm really happy with it. It drove really nice and smooth all the way here, so that's what we want. It's way too raked. The front sits really well, but the rear sits really quite high. So that's something for me to work on, and adjust the rear, bring it down a bit, try to have a flatter profile, and then after that probably give it another wash. Cheers for watching. Peace.